Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the CRKT Squid Burnley design here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this pretty cool kind of content. And by the way, this was part of my 1000 subscribers giveaway, so let's see what is inside. I think we're gonna need the T8, right, for the pivot, like so, and I think we're gonna need a T6, which is this guy, for the handle screws, like so. So you have one here, and you can notice that these screws are just screwing into the scale. All right, you can open this guy up. Where is it? Oh, I forgot to fully unscrew this side, like this. Very good. So pivot is out. You've got these scales out. You have the Teflon washers in. You can see that Marie-Jolie engraved this beauty in July 2012, and this is her 9th, I'm assuming, engraving, and it's just a lovely one. She's fantastic, by the way. Look at that, pretty cool. So we're gonna just clean the inside of these scales. Nice engraving on the inside. Teflon washers, which we can just remove, clean a little bit, clean the tang. Keyed in pivot. So I mean, these are an inexpensive knife, which is made expensive because of the engraving, which is a fantastic one. And by the way, she's so nice. You can check her Instagram. She engraved this guy and donated to the channel, so she is the best. She made this guy and just gave it to me so that one of you guys could win it. So probably when this is going to be up, we already draw the winners, but you can see how it's done on the inside. And she was being really kind, so thank you, Marie, for your kind gesture. All right, so that's back in. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of Loctite, just the blue one, just like so, for the pivot, which is keyed in like that, nicely. You have now to change your bit, use a T6, and you have to remember that you need backspacer like so, and this guy is going in like this. Just actually, no, I think this guy goes from the other side. Yeah, look at that. Fab, what are you doing? So just align the backspacer. So this is this one here, and that's gonna go in like so. Just leave it a little bit loose so you can just align that guy, and then you can just tighten it up. Don't overdo it, because this screw just screws in directly into the scale, so you don't want to strip any of that. It's going to be a stripped scale as well, not just only the screw, so it's going to be a mess. All right, let me see if we can all right, so this guy over here, he came with the blade a little bit off center. Okay, so let's see if we can improve that. I'm just going to do a little bit of heavyweight nano oil on the detent ball, just a little bit like that. So it's going to be a little bit smoother, and that's a little bit too tight, so just tighten a little bit. Nice. So this is of course like not a drop shot knife whatsoever, because I mean it's a small blade, pretty light, and Teflon washer. I barely see it drop shotting, falling shot. No, so it's a tiny bit off center, but it's smooth. It's a nice one. It's a tiny one. It's fantastic, and whoever is gonna win it is gonna be a lucky guy or girl, because look at this, absolutely rad. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.